Picture this. A client sits down and, instead of words, starts describing their dream tattoo with sound effects. One belts out a dramatic whoosh whoosh boo. The artist sketches a flying superhero banana. Another client goes pss pss chomp, and the artist reveals a bee wrestling a cheeseburger. The studio fills with laughter as each sound-inspired tattoo gets more absurd. Overlay trending audio like, "Oh no" for dramatic reveals. Visuals cut between baffled artists, wild drawings, and clients cracking up at the results.